Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. 2 weeks ago, I asked the question, hello traders, it's that time of the month again, okay? Where I ask you your personal opinion about these two brokers, right? One being DRF, other one being Trade 245. And it basically one good thing and one bad thing about the broker. Now, the reason why I do these exercises most of the time is obviously for not just for the broker to see where they can improve, but also for people who is looking to potentially sign up to the broker to also see what it is that people that are actually trading with the broker is dealing with. Now, I can't give my personal experience about the broker because I do not use either of the brokers, which is why I would rather have you guys come and tell me because you have the experience. Now, guys, you guys know I do give away 2 funder accounts, right? This week, we will be giving away one funder account, the 15K, on Saturday, right? Because we were only able to hand over the other account today. So the next account will be given away on Saturday. And yeah, and then from next week onwards, we're going to go back to the way we normally gave it away. And I still have the mic and the mixer that I'm giving away, and we're also giving away a $50 deposit on a DRF account for this video in particular, right? So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, and you leave a comment based on what you think on it at the end of the day, right? And don't forget, guys, once this channel hits 30,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 30,000 copies of Bandile's EA that is currently selling for 12,000, so that you don't have to pay for it, right? This is my Instagram. I'm exposing myself. But in any case, guys, let's get through the information, right? Now, there's 129 comments. I'm not going to go through all 129. I'm going to cover as much as I can, and I'm going to try to be as brief as I can also. So don't be upset if I do not read your entire comment, but if it's the same, then, Okay, here we've got the first one. It says here, DRF seamless execution and withdrawal spreads awesome. Belated birthday. Oop, thank you for that. DRF execution, speedy stop loss, nothing to dislike from them. I personally never had a bad experience. It's good. DRF is good. Higher spread. Number one, DRF definitely like the executional spreads. Okay, seems like the executional spreads is very good. This is happy belated birthday, bro. Thank you. For me, DRF, definitely DRF. I think I might have proposed a question a little bit wrong. Tell us one thing you like and do not like about a broker. Okay, I should have said of both brokers. I haven't used a second broker so far. DRF. Alright, cool. Thank you. Happy belated birthday. Okay. I think a lot of people are saying DRF is good with executions. So that's probably that's the delay time on the trade. So very happy to see you here. Here we go. Trade to 5. Very dangerous, that one. Trade 245 pros. Absolutely okay. Okay. All right. I'm not gonna go talk about that, guys. We've got some kids over here. DRF over trade 245, top tier execution and minimal slippage. So the thing is, guys, is not to compare the two brokers, right? It's basically what one thing you like about the one and one thing you don't like about the one, and then one thing you like about the one, because there's always something that we do like, right? It's the same as people that are like, we like your giveaways, but we don't like you. You understand? So, okay, DRF good spreads and variety of options, okay. MT5 platform brokers are real G's. Example like DRF, which is a very good broker, especially this spread. It seems like a lot of you are attractive to good spreads on DRF and the execution times, which is good. There you can see another spread. Execution again. Now we've got the leverage when I have to pay commissions, okay. DRF easy and good execution. I don't like the entry falls with are always below and above entry point, unlike the futures market. You get exactly, that's actually something that you guys need to look at, which is the futures market. There's some prop firms also available now focusing on trading futures, and they say it's relatively easy, and I think it's going to take a while for us here in South Africa to adapt, because we kind of are very slow with with moving, like, but as ook omdat ons almal cover 'n poes gevat word. Guys, I'm so sorry to say that, but just think about it. Have you guys realized that every time something new comes into this country, then we get taken for a doers? Like prop firms, some prop firms, they just. Okay, let's continue. Here we go. What I like about DRF is spreads. Okay, I haven't traded with trade 245 yet. No problem. Trade 245. There we go. You can trade on weekends as well. All right. Is that with DRF? I would assume that's synthetic indices because the forex market's not open over weekends. What do we have here? Trade 245. Bad spreads for indices during opening bell in the NY. Manipulated during news. Good thing is they have low commissions on their raw spreads account. DRF has been around for long, offering synthetic, FX assets to trade as well. Bad thing is spreads on forex base. All right, thank you for that. That's nice and in detail. Here we go again. Trades by Quasi. Fake spreads, poor execution when trading news, CPI ads, events. You are forced to wait 5 minutes until you can get. Yeah, I don't think that's actually fair, because you'd be sitting there looking at your account in an ugly drawdown, and then you have to wait 5 minutes. You have to wait 5 minutes until you can get out of a trade. Else they'll say you infringe on scalping terms. Ton. Pros fast response team. Okay, thank you. Fast withdrawals. Something I don't like about a broker is the potential of hidden fees or high commissions, which can be frustrating and affect my investment return. Other than something I like is the guidance in helping navigate complex markets and make informed investment decisions. That is why Chepang, my good friend over here, you see where it says that you're saying here that one thing you don't like about broker is hidden fees or high commissions. It's very important to kind of understand the terms and conditions, because that's one thing. Guys, let's be real, right? As retail traders that speculates in the forex market, one thing we don't like is reading. Like, I mean, has anyone ever actually looked at the words market execution to see if it actually says market? No, we just go. So in general, we don't like to read. I don't like to read terms and conditions. If I play a game, I don't like to read terms and conditions. I know nobody likes to read terms and conditions. Sorry about that. But it's very important, especially if you're going to look at growing with a company long term. Then just make sure that you do understand and read the terms and conditions. DRF is the way to go. Trade 2 for 5 as a deposit bonus. Slow execution speed. Bad during news. Time and high spreads. DRF has fast executions, but takes up to 24 hours for the withdrawal to reflect. Alright, cool. So it does seem like the execution is a lot better on DRF versus Trade 2 for 5. But Trade 2 for 5, like someone said there, now they got faster withdrawals. JP Salego can execute. No. Okay, trade 2 for 5, customer care and spreads are okay. DRF opening of spreads of up to 20 to 30 pips at closing time. Yeah, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money to part with. Here we go. For me, it's the UI. Every time I think of logging in, I get a mic. There's a lot happening everywhere. Too many options. Yeah. I think it's important. So if there's one thing I remember with IQ options, I don't know if you guys ever used IQ options. So I started trading IQ options, the binary platform. We used to trade 1 minute, and the only strategy that we have had in existence that time was Bollinger Bands, and we had also EMAs, right? When the EMA cut through the sorry. Any case, so that UI for IQ options was actually very neat. You just open up the page. You have to, you'll go straight into the login screen over there. Okay, we've got well, what I hate about brokers is the fact that they're all BBook. Okay, one or two ABook on the market. Also, they don't let us know about the internal changes. Like Vault was taken by RocketX, BBook. Josh Buscema Naidu Ranch is part of RocketX. So the thing is, guys, if you don't understand the difference between a BBook and an ABook, it's very straightforward. If you remember when you were a child, right, and this is now if you had a brother, right, and you had two controllers, right, so the game system, you can look at, the exchange, the actual forex exchange where it happens, right. Now when your controller is plugged in, that means you're trading directly, and that is what ABook are. Is when your order get executed directly on the exchange. BBook is where your controller is plugged out and you think you're basically taking a trade, but you're not really. You're trading against the broker, or the broker is trading against you, but you're not trading on the real markets. It's normally a simulator platform. So when you make money, the broker has to pay you out of their own pocket. When you lose money, the broker gets 100% of the profit that you've lost. They get 100% of the money that you lost, and that is why some brokers they do choose the BBook, because they know a lot of people can't trade, so it's 100% of the profit straight into their pockets. XNES is low spread on indices. Okay, we are talking about DRF and Trade 245 for this one, but thanks for that. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Paulus. It's the big spread. DRF spreads are good. I like when the broker is honest and secure. Have no hurdles. You need to overcome to get your things. What I do not like is when spreads and commissions are too high and the broker makes you cross oceans before you get what you want. That's true. So I actually had a conversation with myself, right? Because I like to talk to myself. And I said that the broker doesn't know that they are recruiting people who is basically the same as who they are. When brokers are looking for new people to sign up, that people wants to make money, and the broker also wants to make money off you. Remember, any broker is a business, and the business need to make money. So in the past we looked at the business model for a prop firm and how it operates. So if you look at brokers, remember they run a business and they have to make money, and the only way they can make money is, unfortunately, they need a consumer. If they are BBook, they obviously make money through the spreads and the commissions that they charge on the orders that is executed by you. Okay, Trade 245. What I like about it? That it's okay. What I dislike about all right, cool, Mr. Peters. We got you there. Insight will help a lot looking for a broker. Yeah, so this is kind of why we're doing this, right? So people can kind of see also, right? And this is not to badmouth any broker. Okay? It seems like a lot of people are just saying, Trade 245 for spreads. So the idea is not to talk bad about any brokers, right? But no broker is going to know what it is that they need to work on if nobody talks about it, right? So I'm not here because, I don't work in a brokerage firm. I don't work for a broker company. I don't work for Trade 245. I don't work for XNES or DIR. I don't work for anybody, right? I deliver pizzas on GTA Online, and I mean that pays more than a lot of things, So, guys, I do want to say thank you. There's a lot of feedback, and I do want to say thank you, guys. Thank you. I do appreciate it, and we will select the $50 deposit winner for the DRF on this video. On Saturday, I will select the winner again for a $5,000 Funder account giveaway. And then tomorrow, I will select the winner for the other mic that I'm giving away. The first one was already given away. And then next week, we're going to go back to the normal routine that we've had. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for your time. Thank you for tuning in. We've come a long way with this channel. And yeah, 30,000, here we come. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for the years.